Greetings, adventurers. We are here at Jidana Park. It is a local city park in Minnetonka. There aren't really much here for there isn't much here for trails. There's a couple little trails, but they're very small, very short. We're mostly going to do something different today. Instead of going on like a hike, we're going to be exploring. So, we're going to check out this park, see what it has to offer. We're going to go all over the place, and it goes over to Minnehaha Creek. Let's see if I can find my way out there, but I think there might be some swampland in between, so I'm not sure if I can get there, but I don't know. We're going to do some exploring. Let's go. Alright, just came out of the woods. There was a huge gardener snake in the trail. I didn't get it, but yeah, came out of the woods onto this nice opening here. It's nice. I think this is the swamp area that I was talking about between here and Minnehaha Creek. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get over there or not, but give it a go. And this trail is something else. I wonder if it looks like it's going to make it to the other side. We'll see. And I keep hearing things moving in these weeds. I don't know what's in there, birds maybe, but I can't see anything. But I hear them move as I come. This is kind of a cool little trail here. Look at this crazy tree. First of all, it's like a triple tree or a double tree, and then one of the sides splits and then grows back together. Is that crazy or what? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to Minnehaha Creek. It's extremely low this year. We tried to do a kayaking trip on it, and it was too low. Not navigable. So Minnehaha Creek is a pretty popular creek in the Twin Cities metro area, at least some of it. It starts just upstream, flows out of Lake Minnetonka at Grays Bay Dam. It's really not too far, maybe a quarter of a mile at most upstream there, and it flows through South Minneapolis, where there is Minnehaha Park, which has a nice waterfall and is a very popular place for people to go walking, hiking, biking. Also city park, and then it flows on into the Mississippi River. So this is interesting. Just found this. It looks like it goes all the way across to those trees back there, which I believe is where Grays Bay is, where the Minnehaha Creek starts. So I guess it's not too far away. We'll go check it out. Oh man, it's a lot harder than it looks. This ground is super soft, and walking on all these weeds and reeds and stuff,
Oh, it's like walking on sand. But almost there. So here we are. This is Gray's Bay of Lake Minnetonka. This is where the creek starts. I'm standing on top of the dam. We can go check it out in a minute here. But yeah, it's a fairly large lake. Very popular recreational lake. A lot of boats in this lake. Let's go check out the dam. Here we go. I was just up there, and now as you can see, the water is off right now. It's fully closed because we're in such a drought right now, obviously. Yeah. Pretty cool. Bald eagle. Looks like we got one windsurfer left. Trying to get one more surf out of them before the end of the year. And it's not that windy today. There's a nice little breeze. I've never windsurfed. I don't know how much wind you need to do that. It looks like not very much, I guess. Oh.
It was really hot walking across the swamp there, with completely exposed in the sunlight. Got a little warm. So I found a little spot in the woods here, nice little opening. Beautiful little grove here. I'm just gonna sit and take a little break. Snacking some chips. I got some more chips. And a Coke. That's all I got today.
This is very interesting to me. I don't know if you see these lines on the ground here. They're made out of like rows of these sticks. They're not bushes or anything. They're just like broken off sticks. All laid down into lines. All over the top of this island. It's so weird. My only thought is it's got to be some sort of forestry restoration or something. Like someone's doing that to provide some kind of habitat for maybe rabbits or something, or maybe to stop some kind of invasive species or something. There's all these things growing over here, but then on this side of the line there's nothing. I don't know. I'm very curious. Please let me know in the comments if you know. What are these lines? What is going on here? Well, this is super annoying. The wind is blowing this way. So as I'm walking, all these things keep hitting me in the face. Finish this one off. all the way to Gray's Bay and back. But we'll continue on a little further and see what else we can find. Let's explore new areas. Look at the size of this tree. Look at that. Nice mushroom growing right out of the middle. Isn't that cool? Alright, so I walked on the trail here to the top of this hill. Looks like this is where the big trail ends. I might continue on a little bit over there. But, yeah. It looks like this is a day camp area. This is Jidana Day Camp. Jidana's the name of this park. Fake fish on a fishing line hanging from the tree. Oh, there's another one up there too. I don't know if this is intentional or not. Right, down here by the water, the sad water's edge. I can only assume that that is to stop erosion. Oh my goodness, many ducks, geese. Right over there. I don't know if you can see that. It's really good in the sun. Minnehaha Creek is looking pretty sad this year. Pretty sad. Made it back here to the car. It was a great hike. Enjoyed myself. Pretty nice and quiet, and there was a lot of ducks and wildlife in the water. But yeah, we saw the beginning of the Minnehaha Creek. Start of its journey down to the Gulf of Mexico. And it was a great day. Good hike. So until next adventure.